Hello, I am Jitesh from Eicher Trucks and Buses. Eicher has set another benchmark in Indian commercial vehicle industry through its new revolutionary BS6 technology UTEC 6. This technology is based on the expertise of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines to the Volvo Group for over 6 years, which are successfully operational in 41 countries across the globe. Eicher Pro Series BS6 tippers and transit mixtures are available in a wide range of products, starting from 18.5 ton to 35 ton GVW, and are packed with many innovative features. The heavy-duty transit mixer segment is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of better fuel efficiency, higher uptime, faster turnaround time, along with driver's comfort and safety. Presenting Pro 6028 transit mixer built on the philosophy of Do More. The new Pro 6028 TM is the next generation 28-ton GVW 6x4 transit mixer, catering to RMC applications. One chases many solutions means our offerings of 6, 7 and 8 cubic meter drums can be mounted on a single chassis with two wheelbase options, 4 to 50 mm and 4 to 85 mm. We also offer CBC variant. Further, one can choose from option of slave engine or EPTO drive with suspension option of bogie or slip. Continuing with our core DNA of mileage ka Badshah, Pro 6028 TM is designed to deliver up to 3% better fuel efficiency in the category. Proven VEDX5 4-cylinder engine with Volvo Group's engine management system and vanadium based compact box type each for best-in-class fluid efficiency. This engine delivers 210 horsepower at 2200 RPM and a flat torque of 825 Nm at 1200 to 1600 RPM, which results in lesser fuel consumption. It comes with intelligent features like fuel coaching, which provides real-time driving guidance, and M-Booster Plus to optimize acceleration and maximize fuel efficiency. Energy-saving components like ESS compressor and viscotronic fan for reducing parasitic and mechanical losses. Pro 6028 TM is designed to deliver faster turnaround time, hence more trips. Higher power to weight ratio and higher torque to weight ratio help in higher average speed, ensuring better acceleration and more trips. Lower turning circle diameter, superior gradability and high torque at field ensure faster turnaround time. Interaxle differential lock for easy operations on tough and slushy roads and quick turnaround. As downtime is the biggest cost for any transporter, so Pro 6028 TM delivers superior uptime. Robust driveline and reliable aggregates ensure that truck is available all the time. Advanced onboard diagnostic system displays fault indicators in the form of audio-visual signals for preventive maintenance. 4-way engine protection system ensures engine safety and low maintenance. Long and synchronized oil drain interval of 1500 hours. Fully equipped Eicher service network, site support, and innovative uptime center ensure your truck is available maximum time to do more. Cabin safety and comfort are of prime importance, so Pro 6028 TM provides more comfort, enhanced safety. AIS 029 crash resist cabin, ergonomically designed cabin, improved suspension for better driving comfort, cruise control and air blow for fatigue-free long drive. Intelligent driver information system which continuously guides the driver about the operational parameters of the vehicle. 6-way adjustable seat and tilt and telescopic steering wheel for better driving posture. All side mirrors for enhanced safety. With our lifetime support solutions, we provide complete peace of mind through seamless experience from the time you think of buying an Eicher vehicle to the time you think of selling it. For queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or contact Eicher Care on 1800 102 3531.